Dear students, today we will continue the circulatory system of Scoliodon. Already we have started the circulatory system of Scoliodon and we came to know there are four parts. First part is the blood, second part is the heart, third part is the arteries and fourth part is the veins. So blood we have already studied and heart, internal structure and external structure we have already completed. In today's period we will study the arteries and then we will study the veins. So arteries are the blood vessels. Arteries are the blood vessels and these blood vessels carries blood from heart to the various parts. From heart to the various parts. So remember, generally arteries carries the pure blood from heart to the different parts of the body, to the different organs, to the different tissues, up to the cells. Because cell is in the need of oxygen for the respiration. Each and every cell is in the need of oxygen. Each and every cell is in the need of nutrition. Cell throwing outside, we can say the excretion of cell, the waste material or unwanted material, toxic material from cell to the impure blood, venous blood. And veins collect that. Veins collect that impure blood to the respiratory organ. We can say the respiratory gases, toxic respiratory gases, oxygen, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is collected by the venous system or veins towards the respiratory organ. In respiratory organ, it is thrown outside and oxygen is taken inside. So purification of blood is in the respiratory organ. Here Scoliodon is a aquatic animal, so respiratory organ is gills. Remember, this is the difference. Here respiratory organ is the gills. Remember, respiratory organ. Respiratory organ in the case of Scoliodon is the gills. And we have studied there are 5 pairs of gill pouches. As Scoliodon is a marine animal, gill pouches are there. So during the respiration, mouth is open, water enter in the buccal cavity. From the buccal cavity, it goes to the pharynx. From the pharynx to the gills. And there is the oxygen intake, inspiration. Oxygen intake from the water, which is called as the dissolved oxygen. So dissolved oxygen in the gills, that is taken in the blood, that blood is called as the pure blood. Oxygen mixed blood is called as the pure blood or oxygenated blood. Remember, pure blood means what? Oxygen mixed blood, which is also called as the oxygenated blood. Now that blood from that respiratory organ getting the force from the heart, pumping force, pumping action towards the supply different parts of the body. So remember, arteries carries the pure blood and veins collect the impure blood. So arteries supplies the pure blood from the heart to the different parts of the body, different organs of the body, up to the cells. Here we are studying the arteries. Arteries are the blood vessels we can say the rivers of our bodies. Blood vessels are the rivers of our body, and through that river the blood flows. Two types of the rivers. One type of river, they are supplying the pure water, just like pure water, river supplying pure water. So one type of the blood vessels, which is called as the arteries, that supplies the pure blood, oxygenated blood, oxygen mixed blood from the heart to the different parts of the body. So here, this is the definition. The blood vessels which carries blood from heart to the various parts. Various parts means various organs. In the organs there is the tissue. In the tissue there is the cells. Cells are the smallest unit of life. So, here you see, this is the heart. This is the heart of the scrotum. In heart, externally it is covered by the double membrane. That double membrane is called as the pericardium. You know, pericardium is a double membrane. Inside the pericardium there is the cavity which is called as the pericardial cavity. That cavity is not empty, it is filled by the fluid. That fluid is called as the pericardial fluid, which protect the heart from the shock. Pericardium, pericardial space, pericardial fluid, the function of that is to protect the muscular, delicate organ, that is the auricles and ventricles, chambers of the heart. So, externally this is covered by the membrane called as the pericardium. Now, internally you can observe that this is the sinus venosus. This is the sinus venosus. Then sinus venosus, the ventricles. Then from the ventricles, this is the auricles. So remember, auricle and ventricles are the true chambers of the heart of fish, heart of scrotum. And this another two chamber, conus arteriosus and sinus venosus. These are the false chamber of the heart of scrotum. Remember, heart of scrotum is a venous, because heart of scrotum having the venous blood, impure blood. Now from this conus arteriosus, a tube-like structure runs anteriorly, which is called as the ventral aorta. Which is called as the ventral aorta. This part is called as the ventral aorta. So this is runs anteriorly, and here at anterior side it is bifurcated. One toward the right side, one toward the left side. So this is here bifurcated. Here bifurcated. दोन साइडला दोन केलेले आहे. Now that is called as the innominate. हे जे आहे त्याला म्हणायचे innominate. Now innominate of the right and left side again bifurcated into the first afferent brachial arteries and second afferent brachial arteries. Remember here, innominate is bifurcated. Innominate पुन्हा दुभागली गेलेली आहे आणि त्याच्या दोन arteries झाल्या. ही आहे first afferent brachial arteries, ही आहे second afferent brachial arteries. Like this is the third afferent brachial artery, this is the fourth, and this is the fifth. So there are 5 afferent brachial arteries, right afferent and left afferent brachial arteries. Now from the gills or from the gill clips, here dorsal aorta is there. Here ventral aorta, here dorsal aorta. So from the gill clips, the pure blood, oxygenated blood, supplies to the different organs of the body, different parts of the body. So we can say that in this arteries makes a system, fine blood vessels, capillaries of the blood, fine toward the tissues in up to the cells. So there are different types of the arteries. Here one artery goes toward the tail region, so that is called as the caudal artery. it supplies the pure blood to the caudal region, tail region. Similarly, here towards the head region, that is called as the mandibular artery. Then common carotid radix, hyoidum, buccal artery, synapticula. So there are different types of the arteries. Dorsal aorta gives following arteries. So dorsal aorta, this dorsal aorta gives the radix. So radix is a small branch arises from anteriorly of dorsal aorta and receives to the common carotid artery. Similarly, there is the buccal arteries, go to the buccal region, subclavian artery, coeliacomesenteric artery, linogastric artery, posterior mesenteric artery, parietal arteries, iliac arteries, caudal arteries. So the arteries which goes to the different organs, they are having the different names. One artery goes to the kidney, that is called as the renal artery. So arteries which goes to the ear, audio artery. So different arteries having different names. So with the help of figure you can understand very well. Here dorsal aorta, and from the dorsal aorta different arteries arises. Here this is the gill clips. This is the gill clips, which is the organs of respiration, where exchange of gases takes place. Carbon dioxide is expelled outside, oxygen is taken inside, and system is functioning. So we can say that here I will show you the arterial system. So from the heart, blood goes to the gills. So from gills, purification is there. From the heart, the force is created, and blood with the help of arteries supplied to the different organs. Organs having the tissues, and tissues having the cells. So pure blood with the help of heart's pressure, it supplies to the different parts of the body up to the cell. So dear students, in today's period, only arteries or arterial system we have studied. So in the next period we will study the veins. And remember, we are studying the blood vascular system or circulatory system. In that system there are 4 parts: blood, heart, arteries and veins. That we are studying. आपलं मुख्य अभ्यास काय आहे तर सर्क्युलेटरी सिस्टीम आहे. आणि सर्क्युलेटरी सिस्टीम मध्ये काय असतं तर रक्त, ब्लड, then heart, then arteries and then veins. In previous period we have studied the blood and heart. In today's period we have studied the arteries, and in next period we will study the veins. So dear students, see this period, listen this period, video clip, YouTube lecture, and send your attendance, which is very important. Send present sir, then your name. Some students sending only present sir. Then I don't know who is present, because there is no name. So don't do such mistakes. Send present sir and your name also, because attendance is very important. So yesterday some of the students are joined to the group. So those who are remain, they are till now not joined to the group, the WhatsApp group of my paper and WhatsApp group of Thakre sir's paper, paper first. You remember, for paper first, you give your mobile number, WhatsApp number to the Dr. Thakre sir, my colleague. And for paper second, you give your mobile number towards me. माझ्याकडे द्या. 2 पेपरचे 2 वेगवेगळे व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुप तयार झालेले आहेत. पेपर फर्स्टचे व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुप डॉक्टर ठाकरे सरकडे आहे आणि पेपर सेकंडचा व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुप माझ्याकडे आहे. तर ठाकरे सरकडे नाव द्यायचं आणि माझ्याकडे सुद्धा द्यायचं. माझ्याकडे पेपर 2 साठी, ठाकरे सरकडे पेपर 1 साठी. सो डिअर स्टुडंट्स, फॉर टुडे इट इज सफिशियंट.